At Roseridge, we support the local agricultural or farming industry by recovering, composting, and amending organic waste. Our compost is used on farmland in the area. Composting is the process where organic matter, such as leaves and food scraps, is broken down by organisms like bacteria, fungi or mushrooms, worms, and insects. Through this process of decomposition, the organic materials are eventually turned into a rich, earthy substance called compost. Organisms within the compost that break down organic material need oxygen, nitrogen, water, and carbon in the correct quantities in order to live and thrive. The recipe is very important. Carbon materials are brown and woody materials like tree branches, while nitrogen materials include food scraps and green leaves and grass. One of the most essential parts of composting is knowing what items can be composted. At Roseridge, we keep a compost journal to record changes in temperature, odors, and moisture. We can see the changes in the material as it decomposes. It takes 12 full months to convert organics and yard waste into our Grade A compost, and we're proud of making compost suitable for your garden or a farmer's field.
Very good question. So remember Brent was talking about the temperature of the compost and how when it's really active and breaking down, it gets really, really hot. Well, that heat just melts the snow. And so we compost all year long.
There are some fun activities that you can do in your classroom with your teacher. Try making your own compost in a container and see how long it takes to break down different material. Remember, only organic material should go in the compost, no glass, plastic, or metal. You can also host a plant growing contest, with some plants growing in compost, some in soil, and some in a soil compost mix. You can probably guess out of these two tomato plants, which was grown in compost and which was grown in just soil. Rich compost is part of the circle of stuff. This is what it looks like. It is a much more environmentally friendly way to raise your plants than chemical fertilizers, which use raw materials rather than reusing what we already have.